Hey, fourth grade, I know it's been a while since I have made a spelling video, but our Screamcastify has been being funny, so hopefully it is all fixed now and we can get through this video because I've tried to start it about 14 times already. But we are going to be starting with Unit 6, Week 2 today, and we are talking about homophones. So I know you guys are going to be working on your IAR, so this is about the only thing that we are going to be doing that is assigned to you guys, so shouldn't be too difficult. So let's go through and talk about homophones. So a homophone, we've talked about before, are words that sound alike, but they have different spellings. So while you're reading, you'll have to use the context clues or the words around the homophone in the piece to determine the meaning of a homophone. Unfortunately, there's no spelling pattern to follow when determining the meaning of a homophone, but you can use a dictionary to help you. So let's go through the words. I have paired them together so that we can talk about the different meanings and show you the homophone pairs. So the first word is doe, and this is a female deer. And then this dough is like cookie dough or bread dough, something that you would make in order to bake. Next word is prince, like a prince or princess. And then prints, like you print something out of a printer. Tail, this is tail, like a dog has a tail or cats have a tail. And then this is tale, like a story that you've told. Moose, like the animal, one of Miss Dinkelman's favorite animals. And then this is mousse, like the chocolate pudding mousse. Weave, like you would weave a basket. And then weave, like the contraction we have. Wade, if you wade through water, you're like walking through water. And then wade, you find the weight of something, how much it weighs. Whose, this is saying like whose animal is that, whose desk is that, showing possession of something. And then whose, this is contraction of who is. So who's coming to dinner, who is coming to dinner. Bolder, if you are bolder, or to be bold means that you're outgoing and something is bold, it stands out, like bold print. And boulder, like a giant rock. This is root, like the roots of a tree that go underneath the ground for it to get water. And then this is route, like the path. So if you take this shorter route, or sometimes people say route to school, it is the path you are taking to drive to school. Patience, this is like you are a patient at a doctor's office. And then patience means that you are good at waiting. For the spelling packet, this is going to look a little bit different. So it is only labeled numbers 1 through 10, but what you are going to be doing is putting the homophone pairs together. So for example, if we start with doe, D-O-E, we would put its pair D-O-U-G-H on the line across from it and then go all the way down. Second page, you are going to be finding the word that has the same meaning as the definition here, and then find the word that fits in the sentence. You find your 6 misspelled words and write them here, and then you're going to write a short story there using some words from your spelling list. So spelling packets are due by Friday. This, like I said, this is one of the only things that we're going to be doing this week other than testing. So in that free time, make sure that we are working on that spelling packet. Have a great week, fourth grade.